Hi, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video we're going to be doing an update, and the video that we're going to be doing an update on is a video that I did nearly 3 years ago to the day. And what the video is how to repair peeling paint, and we're going to see what it looks like 3 years later. So I think that's enough said. Let's do this! This is the repairing peeling paint video that I did 3 years ago. If you would like to watch this video, it will pop up at the end of this video on an end screen. This was the 15th video that I made. And here's what it looked like when it was all finished. And here's what it looks like 3 years later, so it's done really well, so I'm really happy with it. Let me just give you a close-up of that main area. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get notified of when I release my next video. Remember, it is free. Also, if you want to leave a comment in the comment section, please do so, because that's how we all learn and grow. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.